Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are fine and healthy. Today we will discuss I have a dream complete exercise. First of all, I will discuss reading notes, persecution, undeserved oppression, zulm. Veteran, a soldier of a great experience, tajrba kar sipahi. Redemptive, rescue from evil ways, serving to rescue. मीन रूह को पाक करने वाली. गेटर्स सेक्शन ऑफ टाउन फॉर अंडर प्रिविलेज्ड क्लासेस. पसमानदा बस्तियाँ. वैलो रोल अबाउट इन मड डर्ट वाटर. परेशान फिरना. फ्रस्ट्रेशन डिसअपॉइंटमेंट्स मायूसी नाकामी. इंटरपोजिशन मेकिंग इंटरप्शन दखल अंदाजी. ह्यू आउट कट आउट विद ग्रेट लेबर. तराशना. प्रोडिजियस ह्यूज बुलंद. नेक्स्ट, choose the correct answer. You have come here out of great trials and tribulation. आप बहुत सी आजमाइशें और तकलीफ़ें बर्दाश्त करके आए हैं. Means that you have come here after option B, facing great persecution and grief. You have been the veteran of creative suffering. आप तजर्बाकार हैं नित नई तकलीफ़ को बर्दाश्त करने के. Means that you have been the experienced option 1 experienced soldier of intellectual suffering. This nation will live out the true meanings of its creed. ये कौम अपनी नस्ल का असल मायने जिएगी. ऑप्शन सी, they will prove their worth. What is the dream? ख्वाब क्या है? ऑप्शन डी, the practice of brotherhood. Which one is a desert state sweltering with the heat of injustice and oppression? ऐसा सेहरा जो नाइंसाफ़ी की गर्मी से तप रहा है वो है ऑप्शन बी, मिसिसिपी. व्हाट डज द गवर्नर ऑफ अलबामा डू? अलबामा का गवर्नर क्या करता है? ऑप्शन बी, मेक्स इंटरप्शन. व्हाट विल बी एक्सल्टेड? क्या चीज़ें बुलंद की जाएंगी? ऑप्शन सी, वैली. एवरी हिल एंड माउंटेन शैल बी मेड लो मीन्स दैट तमाम पहाड़ों और चोटियों को नीचे किया जाएगा. ऑल हाई एंड लो विल बिकेम इक्वल. ऑप्शन 1, द ग्लोरी ऑफ होम शैल बी रिवील्ड. खुदा की अजमत हम पर जाहिर होगी. ऑप्शन सी, लॉर्ड. व्हाट इज़ अ ब्यूटीफुल सिम्फनी ऑफ ब्रदरहुड? भाईचारे की जो धुन है वो क्या है? ऑप्शन सी, द ब्यूटीफुल सॉन्ग ऑफ ब्रदरहुड. मार्क द स्टेटमेंट ट्रू एंड फॉल्स. सम ऑफ यू हैव कम फ्रॉम द एरियाज वेयर यू लाइव हैप्पीली. क्रॉस. स्टॉप वर्किंग विद द फेथ दैट अनअर्न्ड सफरिंग इज रिडेम्पटिव. Cross. Let us not wallow in the valley of despair. Right. It is a dream deeply rooted in American dreams. True. Son of a slaves will lie with the son of the slave's honor. True. In future every hill and mountain shall be made low. True. A stone of hope is a coal. False. My country is a sweet land of liberty. True. My country is not a pride of pilgrims. False. All the people, black and white, are treated equal. True. Answer the following question. First question है, what was the cause of Negro discontentment? हबशियों की बेचैनी, बेसुकूनी, बेतमनानी की क्या वजह थी? The Negroes were considered inferior to the white men. They were made slaves. These things created discontentment among them. Second question, what are the qualities of वेटरन्स ऑफ क्रिएटिव सफरिंग? नित नई तकलीफ़ को बर्दाश्त करने वाले तजर्बाकार सिपाहियों की क्या खूबियाँ हैं? दे आर ब्रेव मैन. दे थिंक दैट द अनअर्न्ड सफरिंग इज़ रिडेम्पटिव. दे फाइट फॉर देयर राइट्स. थर्ड क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज़ द ड्रीम ऑफ मार्टिन लूथर किंग? मार्टिन लूथर किंग का क्या ख्वाब है? ही ड्रीम्स दैट अ डे विल कम व्हेन people would live like brothers. Their rules would judge a man by his qualities and not by the color of his skin. Fourth question, what should be the faith of Negroes? हबशियों का क्या अकीदा होना चाहिए? They should have the faith that unearned suffering is redemptive. They should believe that all men are equal. Question number 5, what was the necessity of pleading the case of the Negroes' freedom? हबशियों की आज़ादी के लिए वकालत की ज़रूरत क्यों पेश आई? The Negroes were treated like slaves. They could not enjoy equal rights, so it was necessary for them to plead their case of freedom. Question number 6. What should be the criterion of judgment for a person? एक इंसान को जांचने का क्या म्यार होना चाहिए? A man should be judged by the quality of his character and not by the color of his skin. Question number 7. Do the Negroes enjoy liberty in all parts of their country? क्या स्याह फाम लोग मुल्क के तमाम हिस्सों में आज़ादी की नेमत से मुस्तफिद थे? In the past, the Negroes did not enjoy liberty in all parts of their country, but now they enjoy equal rights. Question number 8. From which part of countries did the Negroes gathered there? मुल्क के कौन कौन से हिस्सों से हबशी इकट्ठे हो गए थे? They came from all parts of the country: Mississippi, Alabama, South Carolina, Georgia, and northern cities. Question number 9. Write down the song in your own words. आज़ादी के गीत को अपने अल्फाज में लिखिए. My country is a sweet land of liberty. I sing its beautiful song. It is land of my fathers. The pilgrims feels proud of my country. Every part of my country should be free. Question number 10. What is the effect of the repetition of word? अल्फाज के बार बार दोहराने से क्या असर मरतब होता है? Basically, the lesson is a speech. Its main purpose is to raise spirit, and the words of excitement were repeated to this effect. Use the correct form of the verbs given in brackets. The architects of our republic write the magnificent words. Write, wrote. All men guarantee the unalienable rights of life. Guarantee, granted. We come to this whole spot. Come, came. Continue work with the faith. Continue to work. Farmer slaves honor. Sit down together. Farmer slaves honors will be sit down together. Every valley exult to see my dream. Every valley will exult to see my dream. We be free one day. We will be. Let freedom rings from the mighty mountains. The black man and white man join hands. The white man and black man will be join hands. This selection designed as an oration. Designed. Next punctuate the following lines. I have a dream that one day this nation will rise up and live out the true meanings of its creed. I capital creed उसके बाद आप लोगों ने कोलन लगाना है कोलन डबल डॉट A colon should be used for a stronger more direct relation. Next W V का W कैपिटल और इन्वर्टेड कामा में ये लगाना है Inverted comma use exact words spoken. Hold these truths to be self-evident. Evident semicolon dot or comma. Semicolon used introduce evidence or a reason for the preceding statement. That all men are created equal. Equal के बाद full stop और inverted comma close. Next, reason the passage and read the passage and answer the question given at the end. This is our hope. This is the faith with which I return to the south. With this faith, we will be able to hew out of the mountain of despair a stone of hope. With this faith, we will be able to transform the jangling discords of our nation into a beautiful symphony of brotherhood. With this faith, we will be to work together, to pray together, to struggle together, to go to jail together, to stand up for freedom together, knowing that we will be free one day. First question, what is the faith with which he returns to the south? Very first line, this is our hope, this is a faith with which I return to the south. Next, we will be the effect of the faith. Fourth line, last say, with this faith we will be able together to pray together, to struggle together, to go to jail together, to stand up for freedom together, knowing that we will be free together one day. Third question, what will they be able to do with this faith? Third line, with this faith we will be able to transfer the jangling discords of our nation into the beautiful symphony of brotherhood. That's all my today's lecture. I hope कि आप लोगों को समझ आ गई होगी. अपना बहुत ख्याल रखिएगा. थैंक यू, अल्लाह हाफिज़।